No. Well, we are at Walmart and we are going to do our Walmart Ibotta haul. I haven't even checked and see what my weekend warrior was. Last week when I was in Richmond, it was actually 18 rebates. Usually it's 15 for the last several weeks. But we're going to go inside and I'm going to show you guys deals. Now I'm going to do it differently. I did screenshot all of the apps and everything. So what I'm going to be doing is actually taking pictures with the coupon in the store. And then I will be doing a voiceover. What's going on? You want to go? I will be doing a voiceover to show you, to tell the breakdown, and then I will also have a printable breakdown for you guys. But I'm just trying it because this thing is at that age where she doesn't want to sit still and go shopping, so that's the reason why we're going to try something new. So you'll have to let me know if you guys like it this way, but let's go shopping. Hello everybody, welcome, welcome, welcome to my channel. So as you guys saw, I was at Walmart and I'm here to share with you guys my breakdown. Like I said, I'm going to do it a little bit different. As I'm talking, I'm going to have the pop-ups pop up wherever on the screen to show you guys what coupons I used, and then I'm also going to have what app they came from because I screenshotted everything. So let me know if you guys like it this way. It does take a little bit more, but I thought it was going to be a little bit faster, you know, because my daughter was with me. No, we were still in there for 2 hours. We were still in there for 2 hours, but I'm just gonna kind of test it out and see what it is. We do have Paris right here, so you might see a cat, but that is out of my control. So let's just dig in and I can share with you guys what I got. So the press and seal, my mom goes crazy over this. I don't really use press and seal very much. I should, but she just loves these. So this was $2.98. There was a $1 off printable coupon from coupons.com, or there was a digital from the coupons.com app, but you'd end up paying just $1.98 for this. Paris, please stop. She can't hear me. You'd pay $1.98 for this, but with Shop Kicks you get 265 kicks for purchasing and scanning the product, which is $1.06. So your grand total for this just comes out to be just 92 cents. So great deal, especially around the time where, you know, people are making goods like Paris. People are making like baked goods and everything. So speaking of baked goods, I just wanted to get these because I thought this would be something to just kind of make with the kids. So we got the elf cookies and then we got the snowman. I let Charlotte pick and she picked these. So these were $2.78. You'd pay $5.56 for the both of these. But you get a $1.25 off a 2 rebate with Ibotta, making it just $4.31 or $2.15. So not the greatest deal, but like I said, my kids kind of liked some of this stuff and I thought it'd be kind of cute to make it with them. So I got that for the kiddos. Can you not chew on my stuff? You can't chew on my stuff. Thank you. She loves to chew on plastic. Okay. Now you're chewing on my clipboard. So I ended up getting the Hungry Jack. Now you have to get the larger Hungry Jack potatoes. You have to get the larger box for $2.78. We did receive a $1 off insert coupon, I think from like 2 weeks ago. You'd end up just paying $1.78 for this, but then there is a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta, making this just $1.03. I prefer the real potatoes, but every once in a while you can make some good stuff with these. I do like it how they have it when they packaged it and then also when it's expired. So that's kind of cool. So, I know, I'm just rambling. So my store only had one of the Airwick the things, and this was obviously taped and it was stapled together. Like this was pretty much damaged in the box, but I don't care. I made a profit off of it. So these were $1.50. What were these? $1.47. You'd pay $1.47 for this, but then there's a $1.75 rebate with Ibotta. So you guys would just get this for a 28-cent moneymaker. I was gonna buy 4 or 5 of these, and then plus the Airwick mist thing. I was gonna do that, and it would have been a really good deal. But I would end up doing this deal. In the other scenario, it would have been like $3 for them. It wasn't worth it. So we got the Alka-Seltzer Kids. Charlotte kept trying to get into this thinking it was candy. I'm like, no, it's not candy. But she kept thinking it was candy. So this was $3.79. I used a $1.50 off insert. Paris. Oh. I used a $1.50 off insert coupon. You'd pay $2.29. There is a $1.50 rebate with Ibotta. So you guys would get that. And then if you haven't, there's also a $1.50 or 1,500 points with Fetch Rewards. So you guys will get this for a 71-cent moneymaker if you want to go ahead and do that, which is a great, great deal. My husband's kind of getting sick of these, but the Kill Cliff, these were $2.48. You'd pay $2.48 for this, but then there is a $2 rebate with a limit of 5 if you want to do that. So this comes out to be just 48 cents. So I got him that. I was going to get a bunch of them for him, but he likes other things. So I ended up getting the Campo Finique. I was trying to find this everywhere. Like, my store has the one in the one aisle, and then this was over like by the like NyQuil and stuff. It was so hard to find. It's actually by the chapstick. I found it by the chapstick. So it's hard to find. But this was why did I write this down? This was $3.98. We used a $1.50 off insert coupon from this past Sunday's paper. You'd end up just getting this for $2.48, but then there is a $1.50 rebate with Ibotta, making your final price for this just 98 cents. And this is a cold sore medicated thing. I used to get canker sores a lot. I don't get them as much. I don't drink as much acid pop and all that stuff. So I got these because it is that time where we're going to be baking crock pot meals, and I thought this is a good deal. It's up to you guys if you want to do that. But these are $1.74. Now, we did receive 50-cent off coupons from the there's printable coupons. It is a limit of 4. So if you guys want to do the printable coupons, you need 3 50-cent printable coupons to make it $3.72. We did have some insert coupons, but those are 50 cents off of 2. So it depends on what you want to do. But if you use the 3 50-cent off printable coupons, it comes out to be $3.72. You want to submit a 50-cent off of 3 rebate with Ibotta, making this just $3.22 or $1.07 each. So I feel like I did that wrong. No, I didn't. No. But anyways, if you guys need to go ahead and do that, like I said, I'm going to need those for future things. Now, I have been obsessed with pudding lately. Like, just beyond obsessed with pudding. So I wanted to do this deal because I just love pudding. I love the banana cream and I love the vanilla. So I didn't get what everybody was doing, like with the jet puffed marshmallows. I didn't get that as 100% free. I had like a 25-cent off, but it expired. But the Jell-O ones were still good. These were $1. There is a 25-cent rebate with Ibotta, making these 75 cents. I got them because I have a hankering for some pudding, and I'm really, for pudding stuff, I'm kind of brand loyal for some of this stuff, but I love it. I love it. I just been eating, you know, pudding as a snack. Usually I can get like 2 or 3 servings out of this. It says 4, but that's just a very small serving. Now, here's the thing. I've been trying to find this bread at Walmart for a long time. Now, this was not by the Sara Lee bread. It was not by, this was all by on its shelf, all by itself. The tag said $3.48, but when I purchased it, it was $2.98. So you get this for $2.98. But with Fetch Rewards, there's 100% cash back. So you guys would get 2,980 points, which is $2.98, making this free. Now, Fetch Rewards did catch it as a Sara Lee product, but it didn't catch it as the 100% free bonus. I sent them a message, and within 1 minute, they gave me my points. Like, they were that fast. So there's times where you can correct it, or there's times where you just contact them. I just contacted them because it was like kind of weird to correct it. But this is free. These are the Sweet Steakhouse rolls. There's 12 of them. These kind of remind me of the bread that's at Cheesecake Factory. I'm hoping they taste like that. I'm really hoping they taste like that. But then we also got this Sara Lee Artisan. I got cinnamon. There was the maple sugar, or maple and brown sugar. I thought the cinnamon might be a little bit better. So this little thing was $2.78. You'd pay $2.78 for it. But I had 220 kicks for purchasing and scanning the product through Shopkicks, which is 88 cents. I had a 75-cent rebate with Checkout 51. And then I got 250 points, which is $1 through Fetch Rewards. So I got this for 15 cents. 15 cents. I mean, it seems super soft. We'll be excited to see how it tastes later on. But those are the ones I was pretty excited to get. And then I got some more big stuff for you. This is my last, oh, I forgot this item. I just did this because I was thinking I needed 15 rebates for the weekend wear, but I didn't get a weekend wear this week, which is totally fine. I think I need 48 rebates to get that $10 one. I'm only at like 18. I need 30 more rebates. It's not going to happen. But anyways, this was $4.44. I used a $2 off insert coupon. You'd pay $2.44 for it, but then there is a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making it 44 cents. So if you guys need to get that. So there is two different things to scan on the Shopkick. There is this one that is for the 3 deal, and I'll show you guys that in a second. And then there's one where it says it takes the large bottle, but I scanned it accidentally without realizing. I thought there was only one Clorox bleach. But you guys can scan it for the one that says it's whatever and do that deal. So I'm not trying to confuse you. But the Clorox liquid was $2.58. Now we did have a $1 off 2 coupon, but it said it had to be bigger than this. So I only used the one 50-cent off or $1 off of 2. I ended up getting the Clorox wipes. These were $2.62. And then I got the spray, which is $2.98. I used the $1 off of 2 insert coupon for all 3 of these. You would pay $7.18, but with the liquid, you get 260 points for purchasing and scanning the products through Shopkicks, which is $1.04. You get the spray with Shopkicks, you get 160 points, 160 kicks, which is 64 cents, so you got that. And then with the wipes, you get 340 points, which is $1.36. And if you buy all 3 of those, you get an additional 300 points, which is $1.20. So altogether through Shopkicks, you get $4.24 back. So $7.18 take away $4.24. Your total comes to be $2.94, or just 98 cents each, which is a pretty decent deal. We love the Clorox wipes. When COVID happened, like those were so hard to find, and I'm like, nope, I got a whole shelf of them. Got a whole shelf of them. So I ended up doing the Irish Spring body wash. This was $3.43. I used a $1 off insert coupon. Paid $2.43, but then you can submit a $1.50 rebate with Ibotta, making this just 93 cents. So some of them are $2.43, and some of them are other prices. So yeah. And then I decided just to do the bar soap deal just to see what it would be. So these were $3.97. I used that $1 off insert coupon. The coupon did beep. They had to enter it in. I don't know why. It does say a 6 count. This is 8 count, or so I got that. But then you can submit, you'd pay $2.97. But then you submit a $1.50 rebate with Ibotta, making it just, where did I lose my spot? Making it $1.47, or just 18 cents a bar. So if you guys need to go ahead, do that. Go for it. Go for it. Go for it. I just did the Suave body wash. There's a deal with Fetch Rewards. This was 97 cents. You get 750 points for purchasing the product. So with Fetch Rewards, 750 is 77 cents. So this comes out to be just 22 cents. I just got one of them. My store is really low on the 97 cent bottles. So I wanted to get the package of the jet dry or finish, whatever. My store did not have the 12 count. They were completely out. But I did get this because my dishwasher drinks this like there's no tomorrow. So this was $3.97. I used a $1 off insert coupon. You'd pay $2.97 for this. But with Ibotta, there is a 50-cent rebate, and then with Fetch Rewards, you get 2,000 points. So this comes out to be just 47 cents. So I wanted to get that because my dishwasher eats those up. I usually get that stuff at Costco when they have it on sale for super, super cheap. That's when I always buy a lot of that stuff because it's something I don't usually get on a regular basis. So funny thing is, I was checking the stuff out and I had 3 of them that I scanned it, and I'm like, where's my 4th one? I gave them to my daughter to throw in the cart. I thought she threw them in the cart. Could not find it. Scanned my coupons. I was waiting for a cashier to come along and enter one of my Irish Spring coupon, and then I found this like in the weirdest spot in the cart, but I found it and I'm like, sweet. So these were $1.92. You would you can buy 2 of them. If you buy 2 of them, they come out to be, I never write this in the right spot. If you buy 2 of them, they come out to be $3.84. But with Checkout 51, you get 88 cents each. And then with Swag Bucks, you get 250 points when you purchase that, which is $2.50. So this comes out to be a 42-cent moneymaker. Or you can do a limit of 4 for the Swag Bucks deal. So it comes out to be an 84-cent moneymaker. Now, Swag Bucks, Checkout 51, and My Points are sister sites, okay? So with Checkout 51, I have it as my normal email, the email that I've been using for years. With Swag Bucks, I use a different email just because I signed up for that stuff and under a different email. And then My Points I don't really do very much with, but you guys can do those deals as long as you have different emails. So just giving you guys a heads up. And I thought this haul was gonna be great because I was really excited to get the Weekend Warrior, but again I didn't. My total came to $58.62. I received $15.75 back with Ibotta. I received 1,470 kicks from ShopKicks, which is $5.90. With Swag Bucks, I just received $502 points, which is $5.02. With Checkout 51, I received $4.27. That is for the bread and the refresh. And then with Fetch Rewards, I received 7,682 points, which is $7.68. So just make sure you guys are keeping an eye on some of that stuff. So my grand total came to $20.02. I got 29 items at just 69 cents a each. So it wasn't my greatest haul, but I am happy because, you know, I got some stuff, like kind of some stuff that you can use for Thanksgiving if you guys use that, or the holidays. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Do. Ear.
Ear? Yeah? You want to say hi to everybody?
Hi, buddy.
Say hi, everybody. Yeah? Okay. So, that is my haul. I just wanted to share with you guys on that. Thanks for watching. If you guys like how I do this little breakdown thing, let me know. And I will have a printable breakdown for you guys below. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.